Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So this is a 2018, one of the first January, February, March 18 registered, 67 plate Ford Tourneo Custom 2 litre diesel. It's the 310 EcoBlue Titanium automatic 9-seat diesel. Now it hasn't been adapted for wheelchairs. It is an original 9-seat automatic diesel titanium top of the range minibus. One owner from new, local health authority. It's been leased. It has a full maintenance printout with all the service history on. I've listed all the services, all done by the Ford main dealer, including the wet belt at 79,000 miles done by Ford. Beautiful. Price £14,695, no VAT. One owner from new, metallic blue, safety inspected every 6 months, MOT'd every 12 months. They are really good vehicles. Titanium, so alloy wheels, mud flaps, front fogs, front park sensors, rear park sensors, heated front seats, aircon and climate controls in the roof in the rear for the rear passengers. Lovely vehicles these. Privacy glass, got the nicest seats in because it's the titanium. So one owner, wet belt done, automatic diesel 9-seat minibus. Lovely metallic blue, nice tyre. Again, front fogs, park sensors, opening glass quarters in the sliding doors, electric windows, electric mirrors. You can turn the passenger's airbag off should you want to put a baby seat in the front. Has mud flaps, has fitted carpet mats in the front. Got the lovely two-tone seats. Leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, DAB radio, Bluetooth, obviously air conditioning, armrest to the driver's seat, front carpet mats. In the back, again, those lovely two-toned cloth seats. Controls for the heating for the rear passengers in the roof. There's blinds that pull up in the rear as well in these opening rear windows. Lovely condition. I don't know whether I can do it with one hand, but if I lift that lever, oh, I might need some two hands, not sure it has that. If I lift that lever, oh, will my phone sort itself out? No. Obviously, no, it won't. Hang on, I can. What have I done? Do that, will it swivel? There you go, sorry, just because I put the gimbal down. So access to the third row of seats is obtained by tilting that seat forward like that. Pop that back down. Lovely and clean throughout. Rear park sensors, power privacy glass. Still room behind the rear seats for luggage, and of course 9 people, 3 rows of 3 seats. Great thing about these is the way they, the maintenance. They always drive really well. Alloy wheel with a nice tyre, lots of tread. Tyres are matching. Plenty of tread on. Show you in here. Obviously there's armrests on these rear seats as well. Very nice and clean. No VAT. £14,695. cruise control, nice leather steering wheel, automatic gearbox. All very nice, drives beautifully. 9-seater diesel automatic minibus. Thank you very much for your time today. This video will be, well, you can go on our website www.bmc-cars.co.uk and see our other vehicles in stock. Probably got more than one minibus. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you'll be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.